Hi everyone, and I got this new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I got 128 gigabyte, and I'm going to do an unboxing right now. And I got the gold. So in it, you have the phone itself, 3 lenses. Also got the charger, and as usual, you got the pin, sticker, and instructions. So nice. This is 6.7 inches. Let's get it open. Smooth. Very nice opening. Let's put it down here. Charger, I'm just gonna leave it because I still have one extra charger. And I also got the case from Amazon. You can get any case from Apple or Rogers store. Let's open it. Is this a hard case? It's a new one. Obviously, I got a bit of gold, and it matches with my phone. Also has a pin here. Try to open it. Let's see. Put it back in. There you go. And if you turn it, you can also watch some videos. And after that, turn it again, put it back in, and you can use it to call in. Yeah. And that's it on my unboxing on my phone. I'm gonna prepare and transfer everything in here and start using it. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy the video.